This is the pedal crank kit for the new cruiser motorbike. So you see, we already put the chain sprocket on this pedal crank, and also we offer the BB parts, 2 bearings, and all the hardware already on this crank. So this is better for the customer to understand how to assemble this one. So after customer receive this kit, should take this nut off, and also this nut with a washer here, and also took this nut off. On this bearing, we already have we already put the grease on the bearing. So you just mount directly this onto the frame. So just like this. So put this one from here. Oh, sorry. Put one bearing first, and then put this one from here, goes to here, and then put another bearing here, and then put this lock nut. This lock nut is the left hand straight, so you need to turn counterwise way to lock this nut. Okay, and then put this washer here. Here is the lock mark, and put this set nut here. So this is assemble the pedal crank like this, and after you finished complete assemble of the bike, and then you can put the pedal on the bike. So in the shipping box, we put these 2 pedals with the complete pedal crank kit together in one box, and this box will put in the gas tank shipping big box.